session. How is everyone doing? Hello. Hi Kshitij. Hello Devanshu. Hello Aditya, Navya, Sagar, Aditya, Shalini, Rim, Pallavi, Ayon, Mehul, Jatin, Abhishek, Kashvi. Hi K. Krinam. Hello Prabhav. Hi Deepak. Tanmay, Mintu, Garima, Yo, Martina. Good morning. Abhishek, watch it of YouTube. Okay, that's more, what do you say? It's more comprehensive and quicker. क्लास में थोड़ा और डिटेल में है, वो अभी टाइम नहीं है, आप एक बार YouTube का देखो. Good morning, guys. Hi, Lokhi. Hi, Devanshu. Hello, Devanshi. Good morning, Deepak. Welcome to the session. Good morning. Hello, Lokhi. I'm good. How are you? Hi, Siddhant. Welcome to the session. Good morning, Garima. Welcome to the session. Good to see everyone join in. Good morning. Hi, Karan. Hello, Mehek. Okay, guys, let me upload the PDF. Until then, I think everybody will join in. Good morning. 1 second, guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Just uploading the file, guys. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the session. Hi, Anubhav, Pranjal, Ankit, Harshita, Kavisha, Sani, Suraj, Shamvi, Priya. Okay, let's get started. Yes, अभिषेक, पर उस पर प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. वो जो है रूल्स है, तो उसके ऊपर आपको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. रूल्स के लिए दैट्स मोर देन सफिशिएंट. Okay. Guys, a couple of important announcements first, and then we move on to the session. Okay, so guys, पहले तो the price hike is coming. Okay, guys, 11th September से the price is going to increase. Okay, prices are going up by 10%. So those who wish to take the subscription, kindly take it before 11th September, guys. And the date 11th September is also because a new batch is going to start at 11th September for CAT 2021. And our sessions are going to also start. Plus sessions are, from the new batch is going to get started on 11th September. No audio, guys. Hi Paridhi. Good morning, Jyoti. No audio. Am I audible? Audible. It's fine. Okay, Arjun, एक बार refresh करो. So guys, 11 September से पहले I want everyone to book your subscription. Okay, and while taking the subscription, guys, don't forget to use the code Ritu MBA. ठीक है, I want all of you to apply the code Ritu MBA and take the subscription as soon as possible, guys. ठीक है, because these prices are going to get hiked. ये जो +3 वाला था guys, और +3 वाला था, ये offer 31st August को expire हो चुका है. So now the price hike is going to happen. So before that, please make sure that you take the subscription. Iconic subscription जिसको लेना है guys, जल्दी से लो, because one-on-one mentoring is a very new and innovative concept and it's very helpful to all the students. ठीक है, तो चाहे आपको कॉन्सेप्ट डिस्कस करने, स्ट्रैटेजी डिस्कस करना है, डाउट सॉल्व कराने हैं, वन ऑन वन मेंटरशिप. And there's a new feature, guys, notes on the go. What is this? You have chapter wise notes available to you now. Okay, so with important portions highlighted and with animations and with charts and with summary and practice questions. So आपको notes भी मिलेंगे अगर आप plus subscription लोगे. Apart from the material that your educator share with you, you also get notes. For Snap 2022. So plus pay will start off with it, Aditya, soon enough. We'll start off with the OMETS batches soon enough. Okay, but there are a lot of batches which have already started for OMETS, which you can join in. Okay, right, guys, come on, let's get started. So shall we begin with reading comprehension? Okay, I guess everybody has joined in now, guys. Now I have 2 passages for us today. Acha, done. Devanshu, I'll take up you want to warm up with CR? 1 minute. Okay, I will share some CR then. Wait. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. I'll take up the CR later, guys. ठीक है, वो file share कर दूंगी मैं. I'll take it up later. Let's start off with RCs. Okay, now guys, there are 2 RCs which are picked up today. I am trying to get as many different varieties of RCs as possible, guys. The reason is you have to get used to, a lot of you have this. Hi Atin, hello Darshu की ऐसे passages कैसे करें, psychological passages कैसे करें, याद नहीं रहता है. So guys, जितनी RC practice हम लोग ले सके हमको लेना है, because we have to remove the RC phobia. Correct, Devanshu? And yesterday also, guys, in our YouTube session we had a look at one such RC passage जो बहुत difficult था understand करने के लिए, but you got it right. Same we did it with the target mock. The passage was so dense, the Africa one, but we did it so easily. Okay, right. So Kashvi, ये clear नहीं है, guys? ये clear नहीं है? Now it's better. अब ठीक है, it's clear now. काशवी clear है? ऑडियो ब्रेक हो रही है. Okay, it's clear. ठीक है guys, एक बार refresh करो जिनको problem हो रहा है. अच्छा, but now it's clear ना काशवी. Okay, done. So guys, let's start with this. Leading newspaper का editorial का RC. Okay, done Jyoti. I'll bring that in also. Okay, in the next class. Hi Sanvi. Okay, so guys, always have a look at the questions first, right? So come on, let's have a look at the questions first. Okay, very, very innovative questions, guys. ये सब A1 है Pranjal. Okay, see, the similarity between the Lindy effect as proposed by Taleb and the Lindy's law as described by Goldman is that both. So guys, similarity between Lindy effect and similarity between Lindy's law. So this is a specific inference question. The relationship between architecture and culture mentioned in the penultimate para of the passage, the last but one para of the passage, best manifests itself in which of the following statements taken from the passage. So guys, can I say this is more like a parallel reasoning question? Hi Harshit. Slide load नहीं हो रहा है, एक बार refresh करो हर्षिता. Which of the following, if true, is the best example of aging in reverse as mentioned in the passage? Again, an application question. Okay, again, you have to just see, guys, RC is more about getting the idea of the passage and applying it. Okay, let's see the fourth question. Fourth and the fifth one. The author provides the example of Saudi Arabia. Examples पे, statistics पे, quotes पे, questions आएंगे. Specific inference. Which of the following can be inferred about the reason that things have been like this for a long time to keep on doing something? Again, a specific inference question. Okay, so there are a lot of specific inference questions and application questions. Shall we start reading this, guys? Yes, shall we begin with this? Okay, come on everyone, let's start. Passage on your screen. Our ideal time for this passage should be 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, come on everyone, let's start. Hi Sagar. Hi Gaurav. Hello Mahek. सेकेंड पैरा पे फोकस करो गाइस. लिंडीज लॉ और लिंडीज इफेक्ट का क्वेश्चन है. Hi Roshan Lal. Perishable, which are not durable, जो स्पॉइल हो जाते हैं, जो खराब हो जाते हैं, जो मर जाते हैं, जैसे वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, ये सब पेरिशेबल है. स्क्रॉलिंग डाउन. एनेक्डोटल मतलब एक स्टोरी या एक अकाउंट. ये जो लिंडीज लॉ था उसके ऊपर एक स्टोरी है ना, तो वही एनेक्डोटल. थोड़ा ऊपर. अरे दिवांशु, वो अपलोड करते वक्त हो जाता है, उसको इग्नोर करो. ब्रैकेट भूल से है, इग्नोर करो उसे. गुड मॉर्निंग कृवेश. हाय राघव. सऊदी अरेबिया पे क्वेश्चन है, जल्दी से पढ़ो गाइस. कम ऑन, लिटिल क्विकर. फर्स्ट आरसी ऑफ द डे. Good Devanshi. Guys, next slide. Done. एक ना डीप में मत जाओ गाइस, इट्स ओके। ओके वेटिंग, एक बार रिफ्रेश करो क्रिविश। Intransigence means something which is very stubborn. Done. Hello Avi. Done guys. Hi Shreyashi. Done. चलो last slide. Hi Shreyashi. Okay, shall we start with the questions? Yes, don't get into the philosophical aspect of it guys, बस कीवर्ड समझते जाओ, एग्जांपल्स का सिग्निफिकेंस समझते जाओ. Okay, so the first question is on your screen. Those who are done can start with the first question. Confusing options guys. Hi Ruchika. Passage as proposed by Taleb means the Lindy effect जो तालेब ने, निकोलस तालेब ने theory propose की थी. Hi Aman. See, that's the confusion. Anushka, right? Devanshu, check. Hi Gaurav. Okay, I'm going to take you back to the passage quickly, but guys, reduce your dependency. You have already spent a lot of time reading the passage. ये आपको passage में दिखेगा ही नहीं. It's just an idea that is there throughout the passage. So it's not one particular line of the passage. Come on, everyone. Okay, this is the example. Also read this para. Hi Kashish. वो एग्जाम्पल के पहले वाला और नीचे वाला दोनों हमने कवर कर लिया है. Hi Kashish. Okay, shall we start with the questions? Come on, first question on your screen. I'm going to start the poll. Equal. 3 options have got equal weightage. Abhishek, Suman, Manthan, Shalu, Martina, Sarthak, Zubia, Anushka, Priya, Sagar, Aditya, Gaurav, Pallavi, Mukesh, Karan, Suraj, Devanshi, Jyoti. Hi Ritam. Okay guys, actually जो confusion आपको हो सकता था, that should have been between two options, that is B and C. These are the two options which should have been confusing here. Right. Now, if you have a look at this, guys, discuss the importance of conservation of resources for endurance sake. यहाँ पे clearly the author says that things have been this like this for a long time is not a good reason to keep on doing something. So he does not say the word importance over here is incorrect. There's no importance of conservation just because something has been there for a long time. Did you understand my perspective? The author clearly goes on to the last para and says, this is the author's opinion. Ki what has survived for so long does not necessarily have to exist. Right? So importance word over here is incorrect. Benefits is incorrect. Okay, benefits and importance, that's why we've eliminated these two options. Now, emphasize that the age of something is a good indicator of its longevity. Now, what is the meaning of the word longevity, guys? What is the meaning of the word longevity? Tell me, they're very close. Try to predict the life expectancy of something based on its history. Now, यहाँ पे difference है, एक तो यहाँ पे longevity है और यहाँ पे life expectancy है. Then here it says age of something and here it says based on its history. Okay, now how are you going to eliminate between these two options? How are we going to eliminate between these two options? Okay, now you have to see the similarity between the Lindy effect. Question is very important, guys. Whenever you're confused between two options, always go back to the question. What is the similarity between Lindy effect and Lindy's law? Now, let's go and see this. There has to be a similarity between the effect and the Lindy law. Good, Sarthak. Very, very good. See, अगर हम Lindy effect देखेंगे, Lindy effect talks about the age. Right. It says how long it has survived in the past. That much we can predict how much it's going to last in the future. That is Lindy effect. Okay. Now, let's look at Lindy's law. Lindy law जो था, that never spoke anything about the age. Did it speak anything about the age? Look at Lindy's law. It says comedians came here to discuss the staying power of their peers. If someone used up their material in a short burst of activity, using up their material, is it about how long it survived? Is it about age? Hi, Vinash. So guys, did you understand the point over here that the main thing is, can I say कि दोनों में common चीज है history, not age? Yes or no? The word age over here is incorrect. History, how long have you used it? How culturally significant it has been for you? Yes, did you understand the word history is better? And the word prediction is also better. Did you understand why I'm going to select history over longevity? Did you understand this, guys? Because the question talks about Lindy effect and Lindy law. Lindy effect may talk about age, but Lindy law talks about history. So age को आप history में डालकर भी बोल सकते हो. So guys, always go back to the question. Always go back to the question. Jyoti, 1 minute per. Yeah, I didn't get you. I didn't get your question. Okay, guys, by the way, time frame to be considered. Okay, guys, since you're plus subscribers, you can also raise your hand and I can invite you to speak. Jyoti, would you like to raise your hand and invite me to invite? You would like to raise your hand? Okay, go ahead. I'll invite you to speak. So, guys, this is a new feature available for plus subscribers. Go ahead, Jyoti.
Can you hear me? Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, Jyoti, tell me.
Ma'am, in the question, ma'am, in the option it is given based on its history. So in the passage, I got a word where the time is mentioned. So I asked you that the time frame has to be considered or not here.
Correct. So that's a good question. See, देखो यहाँ पे in the question, so guys, Jyoti's doubt says कि यहाँ पे time frame mention किया गया है. You know, the time has been mentioned. Okay, and when we say history, but that's a little different, right? It does not specifically include time frame. Now, but I want you to look at this part. The only judge that matters when it comes to the future is time. The time frame part has been mentioned. One sec. Okay, time or our genuinely reliable technique for looking ahead is to ask what is already proved enduring, which has survived for a long time. Okay, now if you look at this point, see, for example, considers London's building. Okay, they cannot remain in good condition without human support. The longer something has endured, it means it's been really more significant and symbolic. That is why it has endured for so long. So can I say कि Lindy का effect में the reason why something has survived so long is because that it was enduring, it was symbolic, and it was significant. So can I call all of that as history? History will be a broad term which could include time frame as well. See, I'll put it in this way. यहाँ पे जो word है history, यहाँ पे जो word है history, that can include age and time frame as well. कब से चला आ रहा है? But the word age will not include what Lindy's law states. Did you understand the difference? Okay, see Aditya, one more thing guys. So एक और चीज आदित्य आपका क्वेश्चन है the short burst of activity, right? That basically talks about how quickly you use up your resources. How quickly you use up your resources. So what is the age over there? Are you talking about the age of your resources? No. Do you understand that the word age may not be apt there? Hi, Suparna. Do you understand that the word age may not be apt there? And when you're looking at something, in terms of similarity, you're looking at a more broader or you're looking at a more wider perspective. Okay, clear, guys? Because he says something non-perishable will endure. So all of that non-perishable culture, significance, all of that comes up in the word history. ओके क्योंकि इसमें एज ऑफ द कॉमेडियन, इसमें हम लोग कॉमेडियन का एज डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं. How long will a person's career survive? If you say it depends on the age of what? Age of the comedian? No. So it's not clear age of what are you talking. So this is not related to the Lindy's law. So that's why the answer option will be C. Clear? Okay, Nashad, do you want to speak up as well? You have a doubt? आपने hand raise किया है. Manifest means show, display, seem evident. Nashad, are you there? Okay, let's go down. So guys, this is an amazing feature. Okay, so जिनको भी doubt है, अगर आपको typing से वो clear नहीं हो रहा है, तो आप definitely you can put across your point and you can just tell me, ma'am, I want to speak up, and I will invite you to speak. Come on, second question. Hi, user. एक बार ऑप्शंस को ठीक से एलिमिनेट करो सार्थक. Let's go back to the passage, penultimate para. Please have a look at the penultimate para. Options, shall we see the options? Anti-idolatry. Idolize someone is to worship someone. Anti-idolatry is, कि इन चीजों को हमको रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करना है, इन चीजों को हमको वर्शिप नहीं करना है. You are against them. Correct, Manthan. Question. Shalu, I'll ask him to come in. Intransigence मतलब stubborn, जो जल्दी से छूटता नहीं है. Hi Shivani. Okay, no guys, no. You have to think a little carefully. Hi Shiv. Good morning. Guys, I'm going to ask you to please, no, you don't even have to go back to the passage again and again. Listen to me. I'm going to ask you to look at the question carefully again. The relationship between architecture and culture. Pehle to eliminate two options which you can eliminate because it's not related to culture. Which are the two? Like we'll do it in a systematic manner, guys. First, आप लोग मेरे को बताओ कौन से दो options are not related to culture. Before you get the answer in the poll, I want you to analyze it. Always go back to the question. Which two options are not related to culture? Can I say कि C और D में culture से related कुछ भी नहीं है? Culture C और D में culture से related कुछ नहीं है? Okay. Yes, all of you agree with this. Now the confusion is going to be between A and B, right? Over the centuries, fortune and favor have fixed the buildings into the city's identity. Fixed. So when I use the longer something has endured, the more significance and symbolic meaning it has accrued. Now, in the penultimate para, most of you have asked me the meaning of this also. In the penultimate para, यहाँ पे दिया है intransigence मतलब stubborn relationship with the past. Which option talks about an intransigent or a stubborn relationship with the past? Architecture or culture का एकदम stubborn relationship with the past. Which option talks about that? So let's poll now. So guys, you have to always rely on the question. The question is you have to see which option is specific to what the question is asking you. All of these lines are taken from the passage. All of them are correct, but which is applicable to the question? Did you understand this point now, guys? Fixed over centuries. Isliye, they want to establish, they wanted to break down those monuments which have been there for really long. Got it? Fixed the building into the city's identity. Dan Pranjal. Okay, I will do all the students, let's say 57 students here. On that 2 hours, I'll do a 2-minute appearance in everyone's, what do you say? Examination center. Hi, Sanskriti. Okay. Because that has nothing to do with culture, Loki. Buildings may be tough, they cannot remain in good condition without human support. There's nothing of culture related there. Okay. Correct, Sarthak. They were a challenge, the old monuments, because they were remaining from centuries and they'd become the city's identity. So unko nikalna was really difficult. Yeah, nice, Devanshu. Devanshu says, जैसे phone a friend feature होता है, वैसे CAT exam में phone a ma'am feature होना चाहिए. Oh, that's so sweet, Anushka. लोकी कल्चर यहाँ पे आइडेंटिटी ऑफ द सिटी, वो आपकी सिटी की आइडेंटिटी बन चुका है. जैसे आप कभी भी कल्चरल टूरिज्म में जाते हो, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू गो टू जयपुर, हवा महल, इट्स अ सिटीज आइडेंटिटी ना. If you go to, let's say, Kolkata, you'll say Victoria, it's a city's identity. Delhi, Qutub Minar, city's identity. So that's a culture. for para, for, yeah, I think शुभम, 2-3 लोग मेरी जगह अभिषेक को भी कॉल लगा सकते हैं. That is one challenge, especially when it comes to para jungles. Okay, come on guys, let's go to the third question. Come on everyone, third question on your screen. Which of the following is, if true, is the best example of aging in reverse? If true, so this is an application question. This is an application question, guys. It's a parallel reasoning question. They are the easiest, they are the simplest. Please get them right. Okay, hi Varun. Aging in reverse. Hello Varun. No. Guys, please see aging in reverse. Kya, you're giving me really wrong and scary answers. Where is aging in reverse? Yeah. Yes, Shalu. Irrespective, whatever is given, believe it's true. अगर वो tortoise वाला आपको GK से पता है कि वो सही भी नहीं है, but you just have to assume it's true. Please read it carefully. Every year that passes without extinction doubles the additional life expectancy. Every year that passes without extinction doubles the additional life expectancy. Come on. What happened, guys? Confusing. Equal weightage to two options. Okay, can someone tell me the difference, guys, between the two? Let's see. आपको दोनों tortoise ने confuse कर दिया. Okay, just see the difference between the two carefully. I'll explain, don't worry. पर आप पहले difference देखो. Okay, guys, please देखो. यहाँ पे clearly mention किया है every year that passes without extinction doubles the additional life expectancy. As close as possible to the original question. Every year that passes without extinction doubles the additional life expectancy. Meaning, for example, suppose a tortoise is supposed to live for 50 years. Okay, I'm just giving very random numbers. Supposed to live for 50 years. Okay, I will not confuse you with details. सिर्फ वर्ड से खेलते हैं, okay? Because in the exam you'll not have time to see so much. The life expectancy of certain tortoises doubles for every additional year of its survival. Did you understand that the placement of the word additional is wrong here? It's not every addition. See, यहाँ पे दिया है every year that passes doubles the additional life expectancy. That additional is for life expectancy of future. Doubles the additional life expectancy. Not every additional year of survival, every additional year of life expectancy. So the time for which an etiology can further endure, can I say further means additional? Additional life expectancy. Further means additional. Endurance means life expectancy. So guys, can I say the answer option is D? You're not talking about the total life expectancy. You're talking about the additional life expectancy. So because of the word further, your answer option is D. Hi, AK Bhagwan. Did all of you understand this? It's not every additional year of survival, your life expectancy doubles. It's for every additional year of survival, your additional life expectancy doubles. Okay. Can, because of the word can. Can is not possibility. Here, can is ability. Can is ability. Got it, guys? आइडियोलॉजी हो, टॉर्टॉइज हो, वो सब पैरेलल एग्जांपल्स आपको अलग अलग देंगे. एक बुक है, एक टॉर्टॉइज है. You just have to see the logic. It's like the logic is every additional year of survival will double your additional life expectancy. So additional year of survival will double the additional life expectancy. यहाँ पे दो additionals है, जैसे पैरा में है. यहाँ पे एक ही additional है. Hi Prasad, did all of you understand this? Clear why the answer option is D? Of course, Sunny, then it would be. Okay, come on, let's go to D. So guys, you have to see the options in great detail. Passage का इतना कोई महत्व ही नहीं रहा. बार-बार तो जा-जाके देख रहे हैं. Did you understand my point? The passage is not even that. The options and question elimination is more important. So please divert more focus here rather than reading the passage in such detail, because anyway you're going back and checking again and again. Come on, the author provides the example of Saudi Arabia. What is the point that the author wants to prove with the Saudi Arabia example? सऊदी अरेबिया बोला है तो उससे स्पेसिफिक ही आंसर देना. Then why specifically Saudi Arabia? I'll show you the passage. Please read the first sentence and the last sentence of this para. Hi, Srishti. लास्ट लाइन में क्लियरली दिया है, इट प्रेजेंट्स अ मेजर थ्रेट टू दोज. Major threat, clearly mentioned it. So answer has to be C. Clearly, you can't dispute the words that the passage has already used. यहाँ पे clearly दिया है, the Lindy effect marks a deep threat and affront. What is the relation between the Lindy effect and the Saudi Arabia example? Got it? Deep threat and affront of those who wish to sweep away these cultural monuments. Threat. Did you understand this, guys? Yes? I agree with the point. I agree with the point in option B as well. The author has provided a real world example of how the Lindy effect negatively impacts cultural artifacts because they are destroying it. But guys, does the Lindy effect negatively impact cultural artifacts? Is the Lindy effect negative towards cultural monuments? Is the Lindy effect, this option means the Lindy effect harms cultural monuments. So you've just looked at the words in isolation. You've said Lindy effect. Does the Lindy effect negatively impact cultural artifacts? No. The Lindy effect negatively is a threat to the rulers or those people. It's not a threat to monuments. It's a threat to such people. Got it, guys? Did you understand this? This is nothing complex. Matlab kya? Is it positive? Is it negative? Correct, Pranjal. You've just seen how cultural monuments could destroy किया तो उनके लिए negative impact हो गया, but has the Lindy effect negatively impacted it? No, the rulers have negatively impacted the cultural artifacts, not the Lindy effect. Got it, guys? Did all of you understand this? No, Loki, they were not destroying it because of the Lindy effect. They were destroying it because of their ideology. Got it? Okay, fifth one. Last one here, guys. Things have been like this for a long time to keep on doing something. But Ishan, autocratic to mention है ना, rulers. Rulers means what? Autocratic. It clearly says it's a threat and an affront to those. Those means those who, those people, those rulers. Hi, Zahina. Passage देखो, guys. Laudable is praiseworthy. नहीं अभी. ये आप क्लास लिंक से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. Guys, ये बहुत analytical है. You should skip this question. Ideally, in the exam, you should skip this question. No, I don't think anybody is going to get this right. Okay, I'll poll once. Very confusing. It's okay. You can leave this question and you will not be judged for it. It's a sensible decision you will make to avoid negative marking. Pranjal, Abhishek, Shalu, Siddhant, Rohan and Karan. Very good. Hi, Vishal. Nice, Shalu. Karan, Anushka, Abhishek, Sagar, Suraj, Sunny, Shalu, Gaurav, Kavisha, and Suman. 5 out of 5 is excellent, guys. Very, very good. Laudable means praiseworthy. Now, guys, ये देखो. No problem, Vishal. 5 बजे भी है. See, things that have been like this for a long time is surely not a good reason to keep on doing something. जो सदी से चला आ रहा है जरूरी नहीं है कि it should go on. That's not a good reason to keep on doing something. Yet, this is only a problem if we confuse good reason in the sense of strong reason with good reason in the sense of praiseworthy. So I can say that there are two types of good reasons. There is good reason in the sense of strong reason, and there is good reason in the sense of ethically desirable ones or praiseworthy ones. Hi, Anna. There are two types of good reasons. Good reason in the sense of strong reason, and good reason in the sense of praiseworthy or ethically desirable reason. Now, things that have been going on like for a long time is not a good reason to keep doing something. Means the author clearly says it's not a strong reason to keep on doing something. But can I say it's an ethically desirable one or a praiseworthy one? Nay, Vishal. Yes, did all of you understand this? Things that have been like this for a long time is not a good, strong reason, but it's a good, praiseworthy reason. So, which option gives you this? Got it, guys? It can be a good reason if we consider good to mean strong. No, that's the confusion. It can be a strong reason. No, it can be an ethically desirable reason, but it is often confused with being a strong reason. Where does the author say it's often confused? He just says only if we confuse it. He does not say it's often confused. Got it, guys, from the mocks, Anushka. Got it? Often kahan hai? Yet this is only a problem if we confuse good reason. Where have they said this is what we often do? Got it? Did you understand this? Only if we confuse, but he's not said we often confuse. So guys, जब भी modifiers आते हैं only, often, all ये सब पे focus करो. Okay, got it, guys. रोहित, आप क्लास ग्रुप पे हो ना? मैंने स्टडी मटेरियल पूरा पोस्ट किया हुआ है आरसी के लिए. Got it, guys? Did all of you understand this? Clear? Just one RC passage, Mrinal. So guys, अभी के लिए यही stop करते हैं because we just have around 5 minutes. That's not sufficient time to take up another RC. Shall we continue with this at 5 p.m.? We'll take up para-based questions and one RC. Okay. DILR Shiv, no, I mean VARC के लिए आप कुछ भी पूछो, I'm always there. DILR के लिए, but you can talk to your other mentors or faculty. हाँ, yes, काशवी. So, but you know, यहाँ पे आपको बार बार, तो वहां पे तो क्वेश्चन और पैसेज ऐसे रहेगा, तो that will reduce the time. Don't worry. 5 p.m. on Unacademy. Guys, आज स्पेशल क्लास ही है 5 p.m. को, YouTube नहीं है. शिव, आपके बहुत सारे लेक्चरर्स है DILR के. You can ask suggestions from your friends as well, और आप उनके स्पेशल क्लासेस अटेंड करके भी देख सकते हो. Okay, done, guys. 1 minute, I will see. 1 minute, guys. चलो बाय बाय कर दो. Okay, guys. Chalo. So I will see you all soon. Not yet, Shalu. Just sounds. Done, Pallavi. Okay. Take care, guys. Bye bye. I'll see you all at 5 p.m. Bye, guys. Take care. Good day. Bye bye.